Welcome all of the students in the 8th standard. We see the last chapter of our syllabus is that the life cycle of the stars, in which we study the stars which are present in our solar system and as well as in our galaxy, and this the universe. What type of these the stars are present in our solar system? There is only one star is present. The name of that star is a sun. This sun is one of the star which is present in our solar system, and so many of these the solar systems are present in our galaxy. What is the name of a galaxy? Akashganga. And this the structure of this the galaxy will be also seen in this the two or three type of the structure. These are the spiral. First is the spiral, elliptical, and in the circular. And this is called as a type of a irregular galaxy. In which our galaxy is a spiral in a shape, and this shape will be seen as in your notebook you the design of this shape. This is a spiral we see. This type of our galaxy is present. This is a spiral of this structure is a galaxy, in which how many stars are present? There are the 4,000 stars are present. But what is the condition is that we are staying in here our solar system, and so that here the sun is the one of a star which is the nearest to our the earth, and so that we not see any other star as compared to that of the sun. And what is the structure of these the another stars are like? These are the structure and the shape are as large or as small as compared to that the mass of this the sun. That is the larger and smaller shape and the mass of the another stars in our galaxy as compared to our sun. म्हणजे सूर्याच्या पेक्षा लहान किंवा जास्त मोठ्या साईजचे असणारे काही तारे आहेत की ते आपल्या आकाशगंगेमध्ये उपस्थित आहेत, पण त्या सूर्याच्यामुळं आपल्याला ते बाकीचे इतर दिसत नाहीत. आता जर रात्रीच्या वेळेस जर आपण पाहिलं आकाशामध्ये तर आपल्याला बऱ्याच रूपाचे प्लॅनेट्स आणि स्टार हा दिसू शकतात लांब अंतरावरचे, पण त्यांचा आकार लहान असतो. प्लॅनेट आपल्याला दिसतात, ग्रह दिसतात, तारे दिसतात चमकून करताना, पण त्यांचं अंतर जास्त असल्यामुळे त्यांची नीट आपल्याला पाहू शकत नाही. मग ते पाहण्यासाठी आपल्याला काय उपकरण? ते टेलिस्कोप आहे. वी हॅव टू सी दिस टाइप ऑफ स्टार विच आर प्रेझेंट इन हियर. दीज आर द टेलिस्कोप on which we have to mount it on the surface of the earth, and then we see the naked eye how many stars are present in the sky. We see by using a telescope. So many of these telescopes are mounted in our earth, and as well as these the satellites. Satellites are also present in our surroundings of the earth. They are seen there is the structures of the another stars which are present in our universe. Now look here, we see the properties of the star. Which are the properties of the stars are coming in the fore is that the size and shape and their another properties we see in here. Now look at like the properties of star. The first of it is like this here. Sun is the ordinary star. First is the given as that Sun is ordinary star, and this is among them because of the reason is that this the all is called as an ordinary star is that even though it appears to be larger than all other stars in the sky because of its nearest to us. काय कारण आहे? सूर्य हा काय आहे? इतर ताऱ्यांपेक्षा किंवा प्लॅनेटपेक्षा इतर आकाशगंगेपेक्षा हा आपल्या जवळ आहे, त्या कारणाने तो सूर्य हा आपल्याला आकाराने मोठा दिसतो. तर पहा, the sky, because of its being nearest to us, there are billions of stars which have higher or a lower mass size and temperature than those of the sun. मी ह्याच्यापेक्षा सूर्यापेक्षा जास्त आकारमानाने किंवा मासपेक्षा जास्त असलेल्या कारणामुळे आणि त्याच्या तापमानामुळे आपल्याला ते इतर ग्रह इतर तारे दिसत नाही. तर पहा, स्टार्स आर gigantic spheres of hot gas. Some properties of the sun are given in the table. These are the properties in which you have seen. The sun is present the hydrogen, then the helium, and the another one is as the rest of the elements which are heavier than hydrogen, than helium. That means hydrogen is near about 72%, and then the helium is 26%, and the remaining rest of that percent is about 2% of these the heavier elements which are present in this the sun, and these the gases are also present in this structure. As what are the another properties of that? The mass of this the sun. Write down there the mass of the sun is nearest about 2 into 10 raised to 30 kilogram. This is the mass of the sun. Now the next is radius. Radius of the sun is about 6,95,700 kilometers. Now the next is surface temperature. Surface temperature is 5,800 Kelvin. Then the temperature at the center is about 1.5 into 10 raised to 7 Kelvin, and the age of our sun is 4.5 into 10 raised to 9 years. This is the properties of our sun are located in our surroundings. Now we know the sum of our galaxy. The second one point of our is that the galaxy. Galaxy. Our galaxy has about 10 raised to 11 stars. How many stars? Stars numbers are 10 raised to 11 stars are present in our galaxy. Its shape is like a disk, which is a huge bulk in the center, and its diameter is about 10 raised to 18 kilometer. Galaxy diameter 10 into 10 raised to 18 kilometer is a diameter of the galaxy. Now the next, the solar system is situated at a distance of 2 into 10 raised to 17 kilometer from its center, and this is the solar system. Solar system is about nearest is 2 into 10 raised to 17 kilometer from center. Now the next point is that the galaxy is rotating around an axis passing through its center and perpendicular to the disk. Its period of rotation is about 2 into 10 raised to 8 years. What is the period of rotation? Now right here, period of rotation. Period of rotation is about 2 into 10 raised to 8 years. This is the rotating period of our galaxy in about its center or axis is given in our knowledge. Then the next is that the mass of the sun. What is the mass of the sun? Mass of the sun is equal to is about 3.3 lakh times 3.3 lakh times that of the earth, सूर्याची जी काय वस्तुमान आहे ते वस्तुमान हे पृथ्वीच्या वस्तुमानाच्या 3.3 लाख इतक्या पटीपेक्षा जास्त आहे. पुढचं पहा यामध्ये the other stars have masses between 1/10 into mass of the sun upon 10 in this the level that is of the sun in the other 100 times of that of the sun, and then the radii of can be divided into is 1/10 part to the 100 times of the radius of the sun. Now the next point is that our sun, we see the property of our sun is the age of the sun. The age of the sun and other star which is the time elapsed after their formation can be between a few millions years ago and this is the few billions of the year. This is the time of the age of our stars. Now the next point is that if the properties of the sun had changed in its lifetime, it would have caused changes in the properties of the earth and in the life on the earth. Detailed studies of the properties of the earth have led scientists to conclude that the properties of the sun have remained unchanged. over its lifetime, that is the past 4.5 billion years. According to the studies made by astronomers, these properties will slowly change in further after 4.5 billion years. म्हणजे जो 4,500 वर्षापूर्वीपासून ज्या सूर्याच्या ज्या काही घटना आहेत किंवा त्याच्यातील असणारे गुणधर्म आहेत किंवा काही इतर गोष्टी आहेत यांच्या बाबतीत जर अभ्यास पाहता त्यामध्ये सर्वथा काहीही बदल झालेला दिसत नाही. जवळपास थोडाफार बदल असेल पण तो नगण्य आहे इतर घटनांपेक्षा. म्हणजे जितकी वर्ष होऊनसुद्धा त्या सूर्याच्या असणाऱ्या वातावरणामध्ये किंवा सूर्याच्या जवळपासच्या असणाऱ्या घटनांमध्ये किंवा त्याचबरोबर इतर आपल्या प्लॅनेटच्याबद्दल असणारी माहिती ही आपण आत्तापर्यंत जी पाहत आलेलो आहे त्या स्वरूपाची माहिती त्याची आधी होती आणि इथून पुढे काही कालपर्यंत तशीच राहणार आहे. त्यानंतर आपण पुढचा घटक पाहणार आहोत, बर्थ ऑफ स्टार्स. पुढचा घटक आहे बर्थ ऑफ स्टार्स. How is the stars will be born in our universe is a same of this. The phenomena will be seen in here. We given as some details as like a huge clouds of a gas, huge clouds of gas and dust are present in the empty space, and dust in empty space. Empty space between stars in the galaxy. आकाशगंगेमधील असणाऱ्या धूलिकण असतील किंवा रिकामी पोकळी असेल त्यामधील असणाऱ्या या गॅसच्या बाबतीत किंवा एम्प्टी धूलिकणांच्या बाबतीत दीज आर दी कॉल दीज इंटरस्टेलर क्लाउड्स. ह्या घटनांना एकत्रितपणे म्हणलं जातं अवकाशीय पदार्थ. आणि हे कशात दाखवले पहा आकृतीमध्ये आपल्याला ते दाखवलेले आहेत. दिस शोज द पिक्चर ऑफ सच क्लाउड्स टेकन बाय दी हबल स्पेस टेलिस्कोप. हबलची दुर्बीण आहे या दुर्बिणीच्या द्वारे आपल्याला त्याचे क्षणचित्र मिळालेले आहे टेलिस्कोप. ज्याद्वारे आपल्याला जे मिळालेली माहिती आहे त्याद्वारे आपण पाहतो आहोत. द सायंटिस्ट यूज दिस द युनिट ऑफ ए लाईट इयर फॉर मेजरिंग लार्ज डिस्टन्सेस. ए लाईट इयर, नाव राईट हिअर, ए लाईट इयर the light year is d. Distance traveled by light in 1 year is called as a light year. As the speed of light is there about 3 lakh kilometer per second. The light year is equal to 9.5 into 10 raised to 12 kilometers, and the distance is 9.5 into 10 raised to 12 kilometer is the distance is covered by this the 1 year of a light in our surroundings. These sizes of the interstellar clouds are about a few light years. Light takes a few years to go from one end to the cloud to the other. From this you can imagine the huge size of the cloud. या स्वरूपावरून आपल्याला या निर्वात पोकळीचा त्याचप्रमाणे गॅसचा त्यामधील अस्तित्वात असणाऱ्या गॅसचा किंवा त्यातील असणाऱ्या धुळीकणांची ही माहिती आपल्याला मिळू शकते. ओके, यानंतरचा घटक आपण पुढील तासाला पाहणार आहोत. ओके.